Hey everybody, OJ from MotorUnion here. Today we got one of my favorite all-time cars ever. This is the G550 4x4. This thing's over the top, right? Portal axles, huge wheels, huge fender flares. The problem though, is that with all this added height, pretty hard to get in and out of. So we got a solution. We're going with a Mansory electronic doorstep kit. This step here actually folds up electronically underneath the car and then extends when you need to get in and out of it. We're gonna go over installation, so why don't you follow me inside.
So here we are underneath the G550. So we were looking to see what we actually have to do to get the side step in here. It looks like we're gonna have to pull the entire exhaust just to get these two little bolts out here. Alright, ready? Come down, slide up, and there you go, simple as that. So now that we have the whole exhaust down, we have a few bolts here to pull the seat shield off to give us the proper clearance, and we'll be rocking and rolling.
Alright, let's get to it!
Woohoo! Alright, go all the way down.
Well, it looks like we're all wrapped up here, and as you can see, this is working just the way we wanted it to. If you're having any trouble getting inside your vehicle, reach out to us by jumping on fluidmotorunion.com and we'll have an answer for you. Thanks a lot.